वस्तु और स्थान की पहचान उसकी सुंदरता और उसकी बनावट से नहीं होती, उसके अच्छे कर्म और उससे अच्छी सोच और उसकी अच्छी पहचान से होती है। एंड व्हाट इज कल्चर? What is culture? Culture is every people is doing to live speaking style, dressing style, and agriculture style, and architecture styles, and speaking style, and tradition, and custom, and religion, and how many times every people are thinking and other people's, and every people thinking itself, and every people relation between two persons, and folk, and tradition, and etc., and very more much. And now I am going to tell about my culture, Indian culture. So हम उस संस्कृति से बिलोंग करते हैं, जहाँ कोई लड़की अगर गुड़िया भी खरीदी जाती है तो दुपट्टा के साथ खरीदती है। So I am telling about Indian cultures. Indian is a very most and beautiful country in our whole world. So my Indian is most popular in culture because this culture is known our world. So I am telling about greeting. So one is the most greeting in namaste. So namaste using not using my Indian people, but using whole world people. And just like you name Barack Obama using a namaste in various functions in America, and this Corona period times everyone using namaste, not meeting hands, and now namaste tantless is the I blow to you and signify the man meant for me, and before hold and hand before the chest, and now nama is translation belong to man ego for the pressure of others. Now I'm talking about the festivals. My Indian large number of religion living in my Indian society, just like Buddhism, Hindu, Jain, Sikh, Isai, and extra and very much living people in my Indian. So and Indian large number of celebrated festivals, just like Hindu celebrated Holi, Deepavali, Chhath, Dasara, etc., and Buddhism celebrated Lord birthday and Buddha, and Jain celebrated in Jain day, and अगर तुम्हारे साथ गलत करता है तो वो उसकी धर्म और उसकी सोच और उसकी चरित्रता होती है, लेकिन तुम अगर किसी के साथ अच्छे करते हो, ये तुम्हारी धर्म और तुम्हारी सोच और तुम्हारी संस्कृति होती है। Now my Indian people wearing girls in sari, and my Indian boys wearing pajama, kurta, and sherwani in functions, and my opinion and language my Indian society using the 400 language in India, but my constitution provided 22 language in using the spoken in Indian peoples, but now using much 400 languages available in India. So I am telling about my Indian signs. The signs is swastik. Swastik is denoted by the Lord Ganesh, and four symbol is denoted by the four Ved, and four aims for human beings, just like Kam Moksha, Lobh, Maya, so denoted by the four aims in human life. So I am telling about the last topics and thought. हमारी संस्कृति हमारे लिए एक पंख की समान काम करती है। हमारी संस्कृति एक पंख की समान काम करती है, और हम इस संस्कृति के एक छोटे से बच्चे हैं। अगर हमको ऊपर उड़ना है तो इस संस्कृति रूपी पंख को बचाकर आगे ले जाना पड़ेगा। इसी थॉट से हम अपने बात को विराम देते हैं। धन्यवाद।